India's coronavirus tally has crossed the 6 lakh mark after more than 19,000 new infections and 434 deaths were recorded in the last 24 hours. More than 3.5 lakh patients have recovered so far. The country's average positivity rate, which is the ratio of positive cases to the number of tests conducted, stood at 8.34% this morning. Recovery rate stood at 59.51%. With 6,04,641 total cases, India is roughly 50,000 cases behind Russia, which is the third worst affected country from coronavirus. Russia is preceded by Brazil, which has more than 14 lakh cases, and the US, which has over 26 lakh cases. It took India over 110 days to cross the 1 lakh mark in coronavirus cases. The country crossed the 2 lakh mark on June 3rd. It recorded 3 lakh total cases in the next 10 days. India had logged 4 lakh cases by June 21st. On June 27th, the tally stood at 5.08 lakh total cases. A case has been registered against G. Venkatakrishna Reddy, who is the chairman of GVK Group of Companies and the Mumbai International Airport Limited, for alleged irregularities to the tune of Rs 705 crores. The case, filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation, also names officials of the Airport Authority of India and 9 other private companies. All have been accused of causing wrongful gain of over 705 crores to themselves and causing a loss to the public exchequer between 2012 and 2018. Now, this is what the first information report reads. According to the FIR, a joint venture company named Mumbai International Airport Limited was formed by GVK Airport Holdings Limited, Airport Authority of India and few other foreign entities. The GVK owned 50.5% of the shares and 26% was with Airport Authority of India. GVK Reddy is the chairman of MIAL and GV Sanjay Reddy, his son, who has also been named in the FIR, is the managing director of it. The Congress on Wednesday hit out at the Modi government for sending house vacation notice to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, saying that neither she nor the Congress leadership will be cowed down by such moves. Congress chief spokesperson Randeep Surjewala said the entire country knows the deep hatred and vendetta of Prime Minister Narendra Modi towards the Congress leadership. He said the Congress does not fear from such notices and will continue to highlight the wrongdoings of the failed Modi government. The government on Wednesday asked Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi to vacate her bungalow in Lutyens, Delhi within a month, saying that she is not entitled to the facility following the withdrawal of her SPG protection. It had in November last year replaced the Special Protection Group, which is a cover for the Congress President Sonia Gandhi and her children Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and replaced it with Z Plus security by CRPF. Priyanka Gandhi will now be complying with the order and instead she is likely to move her base to Lucknow. 5 police officers, including main accused Sub-Inspector Raghu Ganesh, have been arrested for the custodial death of a father-son duo in Tamil Nadu. 12 special teams formed under the Inspector General and Superintendent of Police of CBCID are investigating all angles in the case. Search and arrest parties have fanned out to arrest the remaining accused. At least 6 have been booked in connection with the killings of the duo, with the section of 2 FIRs altered to include section 302, which is for murder, of the Indian Penal Code. The specialized investigating agency has also included Sub-Inspector Raghu Ganesh and Balakrishnan, who are charged with murder, and as many constables and members of Friends of Police who are volunteers of the Satanakulam police station. The arrest led to celebration in Thoothukudi with locals bursting firecrackers. The aggressive stance of Beijing against India and other countries in the region confirms the true nature of the Chinese Communist Party, US President Donald Trump was quoted as saying by White House press secretary. Against the backdrop of the standoff between Indian and Chinese troops in eastern Ladakh, she said that US was closely monitoring the current situation and supports its peaceful resolution. Earlier, during a congressional hearing, US lawmakers expressed concern over the aggressive Chinese action along the line of actual control.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.